Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Janice. So if you're new, welcome. I do a lot of lifestyle vlogs, as my past videos have shown. And today I actually have a haul from, where did I go? I went to Marshall's, I went to Target, I went to Amazon. I didn't really go to Amazon, but I ordered from Amazon. I went to the Dollar Tree, and I think that was everything. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to go to my Dollar Tree finds. So I did take a few of the price tags off already. I was super excited. So I did find it's set up, but did find this mirror that's super cute and it has this like nice, it's kind of like a silvery finish on the outside, which is kind of cute. So I'm going to probably put this by our front door so we can see what we look like before we leave, so we don't look like weirdos. And then I got this, I don't even know what it's called, like foil something or other. Either way, it was on sale. And if you guys don't know what this is, it is a map of Boston. So I did study architecture, so floor plans and maps and this kind of thing is my jam. And so again, this is Boston. I studied this. I can probably tell you like what is on each and every street corner, which is crazy. And so I got that. I think the mirror was $12 or $13. This one I believe was, I think it was originally $18 or so. I think I got it for $12. So another good find from Marshall's. And then last but not least, I got this giant laundry bin from Marshall's that I'm probably going to put in the corner of our room, in our master bedroom. So again, it's huge. If I'm sitting down, this is how big it is. It just has this canvas inside, and it has the like galvanized steel kind of thing on the outside, and it was $24 compared at $40. So cute, and it's pretty big, so it'll hold a lot, but it keeps it looking cute and not looking just like a laundry basket, so that's fun. What should we do next? I guess we'll start with Target. As soon as you walk in the store, there's, what is it called? I think it's Bullseye's Corner. That one is where I got the majority of this stuff. So I got these two palm leaves, except there's a, what is it called? I noticed when I got to the checkout that there's like box cutter knife holes in it, probably when they open the box. So I ended up getting these for $1 each. Go me, they're originally $3, but they're new with the summer decorations. I got two of these to go with it, so I have to find some kind of plant holder to put this in. I didn't like any ones Target had, so each of these were $3. So that was a good find. And I got this little hanging plant. I absolutely love this. This was so cute. So it just hangs there. It's white. It's kind of little. I'm probably going to put this in our kitchen. And this one was $3 as well. And it has little plants hanging down from it. It makes it a little green. Not to mention, I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but we have, we might have like one real plant in this apartment, but we can't keep plants alive for our life. We keep fish alive, but we can't keep plants alive. So I'm sorry, rest in peace to all the plants that we've killed in the past year. And so I got this pot as well. This one was $5, again from the Bullseye's Corner in the very front. It just says grow on it, and it's kind of in leather and white. So there's that one, and this one I'll be using for something I got from the Dollar Tree actually, which you'll see in a second. Next, I just got this table runner. I don't actually know if this one was from that main, like the front part, but it has the little thing like it were to be from the front. So it does say $3 on the back, so that's what I do for that one. It's just a table runner. So it's kind of a cute print. It's kind of like a grayish color, which is the color of our apartment. I'm hoping that'll fit in. Next, I got these two baskets. So they're like the woven baskets with leather handles right here. And they were, I think, $9 each or so. So those are those woven baskets, again from Target. I'll probably be putting these in our bathroom, because I just got a stand to go in our bathroom. So those are super cute. And then last but not least from Target, I got this big basket. So I got this, oh wait, no, I lied. Oh, the little plant. Like, sorry, they got this little plant right here. Look how little it is. It's so cute. It's only $1. It came from the little like Bullseye's Corner again. It's so cute. Sorry to interrupt, but I got really excited about that little plant that came out. So I got this giant basket right here. This one I think I'm going to use for underneath the fish tank, so we can put all of our fish stuff in there and try to like hide it a little bit and make it somewhat look cuter and not just a plastic bin. we'll see how that goes. I'll show you guys in the apartment tour, which I promise again is coming soon, or it might be out before this, depending on when I post this. It's coming out soon though, don't worry. Next, I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree, I guess. When did I get there? I don't actually remember. This was the first stop of today. Okay, so again, going back to this little pot right here, it says grow. My plan was to take this, so I guess it's garland. It says it's leaf garland. So it kind of looks like a, again, we can't take care of real plants, so I have to find fake ones. So I just kind of want to put it in there and then I got 5 of these, so there's going to be 5 of them hanging down. So it's going to be like another hanging plant, but I'll probably put it either like in the bathroom or something, I don't know. But that's my plan for that. So I got 5 of those. Those are brand new. I didn't see those last time I was there. Oh, right, that's what else I got. So I also got this dish towel right here. So it says, a hot, fresh coffee is the best way to start the day. That's so true for Chris and I. So I didn't even need dish towels, but it was a cute saying and it's very true. So I got those, Christopher and I. They're just simple things. I got 2 of these jumbo blanket storage bags. I have to find I looked at when we went out to Target, and Target didn't have a king-sized down comforter that was like for the warmer weather, aka for summer. Currently I have the really thick, big one on there, so I've got 2 of these. Probably one for one of our like blankets and the other one for the comforter. Hopefully it fits. There's those. And then last but not least, Claire, if you're watching, Claire's my college roommate. I got 2 little beverage holders. Again, these were both $1, obviously from the dollar store, but they're both flamingos and they hold your drinks in a little holder to go in the pool. And I don't know if we'll use them or not, but they're really cute, and hopefully we'll go to the lake at some point this year, and we'll probably use these when we go to the lake. Last but not least, we have my Amazon purchase. Again, I'm so excited for this. Like I said, I was, for our Target part, I was looking to get a down comforter that was warmer for the summertime, but I was unable to find one because they were sold out of all the king sizes because we have an obnoxiously huge sized bed. So, for now, I got a new duvet cover from Amazon. I believe this one was $35, and then at Target, I think it was like $70 or something for a duvet cover, so I ended up getting this white one. It's just a simple, like, pulled together, I don't know what this is called. What is this called? It's a duvet cover. You can see what it is. I don't know what to call this, but tuffing, I don't know, whatever this is called. So you'll see that's on our bed when we go to the hall. You'll see that on our bed when we go to the apartment tour. One other thing from Marshalls that I wanted to mention was this. You might have actually seen it in the back of a few of my videos so far, but this one right here, I've actually been keeping this, all my camera equipment in here. So this one, I want to say, was like $15 or something, but I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It's not like the wooden woven part, but it's like twine-ish material, and then has the white, and so it will match. I have too much stuff over here. It will match this one from Target, so like this white will match the white, even though this is in our guest bedroom or like our office, and this is in the bathroom, but regardless, it's cute. I absolutely love it. This is probably like one of the best purchases I've gotten from Marshalls, which is probably a dumb thing to say, but I think it's really cute, and you guys should go buy it. Moral of the story. Good. So after that, I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. These are just some of the things that I found. I hope that I gave you the prices for everything. Obviously, everything from the dollar store was $1. Other than that, I think I got some pretty good deals, and it's cute stuff, so I'm not complaining. Hopefully I can keep up with you guys. But enjoy your week, enjoy your weekend, whatever you have left, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!